As the days lengthen and warm, the mostly ephemeral wildflowers appear briefly, only to fade under the thickening carpet and canopy of green. One must quickly find where things like to be. Here is an early buttercup called rue anemone. Anemones, or windflowers, have no true petals. Instead, white petal-like sepals form flowers that rise above delicate three-lobed leaves. Another buttercup family member, lesser Celandine, is more recognizably yellow. It can be invasive in some areas, but here in the woods by the river, it's limited and pretty. Hepatica is still another buttercup of another color, or colors, that has the family traits of lots of eyelash-like stamens, sepals standing in for petals, and three-lobed leaves. Even the hairy stems are buttercupish. Bluet's blue or white petals, or something in between, often need a close-up look to really tell. Yellow is often a nectar signal in flowers, and here the yellow center shouts sugar. An ephemeral mustard, toothwort's white flowers rise above the easily identifiable cut leaves. The early mustard takes advantage of the open woods of early spring. Bellwort's pretty butter-cream-colored drooping flowers are surrounded by leaves that look almost grass-like, and that sit or are sessile right on the stem, giving it the misleading common name wild oats. Dutchman's breeches have closed flowers in a bid to appeal to only a few pollinators. The nectar is in the nectar spur or upside-down pant leg, but the access is from the bottom yellow parts. Long-tongued insects can work the scheme, but others sometimes cheat by tearing the pant leg. Even as the trees leaf out and the wave of green spreads through the woods and into the higher, drier areas, the window on spring flowers is not quite closed.